It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2015 Ram Promaster City in white. It has charcoal cloth interior seating for two, and this is a cargo van. It has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front wheel drive. It also has a privacy wall and sliding doors on each side, as well as the double doors in the rear with glass in the windows. Really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.4 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. The door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver and passenger seat are manually adjusted, and you have your air vents off to the side here. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your Ram logo and your horns. As well, you have your cruise control. We're going to start off the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and then in the center we have our radio, AM, FM, and as well you've got your volume and tuner. The hazard lights are located there, and the menu's located right here, and that changes the menu on your dash as you go through for the range and the menu. And then on the radio you would just touch on what you wanted there. There's your temperature control, you've got your AC, your fan, and USB, as well as auxiliary, automatic shifter. Down below, emergency parking brake, you've got a cup holder and some 12 volts. And you've got your glove compartment off to the side, a manually dimming rear view mirror, and your lighting controls. There's a little shelf up top, and you'll also have a grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, black door handles, and side view mirrors. You have a sliding door on this side, driver's side fuel cap. In the back is two doors, and you've got these nice windows so you can see out of. And then when you want to open it up, simply pull the latch, and it'll open up the left side first. And then there's a clip here, just pull that, and it'll open the right-hand side. So it's very easy to get into this truck. You've got lighting up top, and there's tabs on the floor to be able to tether things. As well, you've got the nice privacy wall. And then when you want to close it all up, just swing the right door closed first, then the left, and then you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. This cargo van has a handy passenger rear sliding door. Just pull the handle. Now you have access. Very easy to get in, and you've got a nice privacy wall. I always like that because it keeps your cargo in the back separate from where the passengers are. There's hooks and tabs to be able to tether things, and you've got the two doors in the back with the glass windows that you can see out of, which is nice, and a light up top. And then when you're ready to go, just slide the door closed. Glass in the back windows, sliding doors on both driver and passenger side, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.